हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम 3 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच कंट्री हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल फॉर जुलाई 2025? And the answer is Pakistan. Second question. Who has recently been appointed as the new executive director of the Reserve Bank of India? And the answer is Keshwan Ramchandra. Third question. Who has written the book Swasthya Ke Prahari to spread awareness about children's health? And the answer is Lalit Shaurya. Fourth question. Which has become the first country in the Amazon region to be certified malaria-free by the World Health Organization? And the answer is Suriname. Fifth question. Which app was launched by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav to provide one-stop service to railway passengers? And the answer is Rail One. Sixth question. Who has won the title of the recently held Austrian Grand Prix? And the answer is Lando Norris. Seventh question. Who launched the app called GOI Stats to get information about the official data of the government? And the answer is NSSO. Eighth question. Erisilk belongs to which state which has been recently given GI tag? And the answer is Meghalaya. Ninth question. In which of the following states has the Raj Bhavan An Dhan Yojana been launched? And the answer is Goa. 10th question. International Plastic Bag Free Day observed every year on? And the answer is 3rd July. 11th question. Which region hosted India's first ever Astro Tourism Festival to promote scientific tourism? And the answer is Ladakh. 12th question. Which Indian has recently joined Canada's Fairfax Financial as a senior advisor? And the answer is Amitabh Kant. 13th question. Who has been appointed as the new commandant of the Military Institute of Technology, Pune? And the answer is V. Ganpathy. 14th question. Which ministry has launched the WaveX Startup Challenge 2025? And the answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 15th question. Which operation has been launched by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to seize a container carrying goods of Pakistani origin despite the ban? And the answer is Operation Deep Manifest. 16th question. Who became the youngest mountaineer to climb Mount Elbrus? And the answer is Tegbir Singh. 17th question. Which state government launched Jan Suraksha Santrupti Abhiyan to expand welfare reach? And the answer is Gujarat. 18th question. Which organization has developed the Sachet system to send real-time disaster alerts across India? And the answer is Center for Development of Telematics. 19th question. Which institution has released the Financial Stability Report for June 2025? And the answer is RBI. 20th question. INS Tabar that was recently seen in news belongs to which class of frigates? And the answer is Talwar class. 21st question. Recently PM Narendra Modi landed in Accra, Ghana and get honored by the special gesture of the President of Ghana. Name that President of Ghana. And the answer is John Dramani Mahama. 22nd question. What is the main purpose of President Donald Trump's Big Beautiful Bill that recently passed a key Senate vote? And the answer is to focus on tax cuts, immigration, border security, and military funding. 23rd question. Which organization had developed a portable test kit for rapid detection of Nipah virus? And the answer is NIV Pune. 24th question. Recently, India's first wooden Gurudwara, Sri Nanak Niwas, has been built in which state or UT? And the answer is Punjab. 25th question. Rail One mobile app has been launched by whom in July 2025 with the aim of integrating passenger convenience and services? And the answer is Indian Railway. 26th question. Which scheme at a cost of rupees 1 lakh crore has been approved by the Union Cabinet in July 2025 to promote innovation and research? And the answer is Research, Development and Innovation Scheme. 27th question. In July 2025, which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Pratigya Yojana, providing stipend to youth for internship? And the answer is Bihar. 28th question. Where has Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated FIFA's Football for Schools program? And the answer is Kolkata. 29th question. How much budget has been allocated by the Union Government for Research, Development and Innovation Scheme? And the answer is rupees 1 lakh crore. And the last 30th question. INS Udaygiri, which was recently inducted into the Navy, has been built under which project? And the answer is Project 17A. तो ये थे 3 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर ऑन जुलाई 1 इन इंडिया इन हुज मेमोरी। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।